Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw the introduction of the poem Confession of a Born Spectator. The author, Ogden Nash. He was an American poet and his poems was in light verse and with a rhyming scheme. In this, he wants to be a spectator of a game. What is the title? The explanation is Confessions of a Born Spectator. Confessions means acceptance or admit something. Here the author confesses that he is a born spectator. That is, he only watch games and sports. And spectator means audience. So that he accepts that he is only a spectator. The poem says that many people like to be a sportsman while the rest of them are an audience. Here is a poem by Ogden Nash who believes that a spectator can be as enthusiastic as a player. Here he says that he was an enthusiastic audience. In the first stanza, he says about the infant's, that is, child's interest in sports. Let us go to the poem, first stanza. One infant grows up and becomes a jockey, another plays basketball or hockey. This one the prize ring hates to enter, that one becomes a tackle or center. I am just glad as glad can be that I am not them, that they are not me. Let us see some meanings of this stanza. That infant means child and jockey is a horse rider and the prize ring is a boxing court and tackle is the approach and glad means happiness. Here the author brings the attitude of the born spectator. He avoids being participating in sports events. Though he is a lover of sports, he only a spectator and not be a participant. The first line says, one infant grows up and becomes a jockey. That the first infant, that is the first child, becomes a horse rider. The another plays basketball or hockey. So, every child likes to play some different games. Here one child plays horse riding and another chooses basketball or hockey. And this one, the prize ring hates to enter. That one child was hating to enter the center, that is the boxing ring, because he hates boxing. Another one may become a tackle or to enter the gaming court. Tackle means approaching. So, another child can be a player or to enter the boxing court. Here the author says that he was very happy to be a spectator. That I am just glad as glad can be. He says that he was very happy to become to be a spectator, and he wants to be only a spectator by not participating in any events of the sports. Even though he was a spectator, he was very much happy being the watcher of a game. He was also very happy to encourage the athletes, that is, sports players. He was happy because he was not them and they are not he. So he said that I am not them and they are not me. Here the poet says about the children's ardent playing games and choosing different kinds of games. That one plays jockey and another hockey, and another hates to enter the playing ring, and another wants to become a tackle approaching the center of the ring. And he says about him that he is happy to be only a spectator. He brings the rhyming words jockey and the second line hockey, and in the third line enter and center, the rhyming words, and the fifth line be, and in the sixth line me. And the rhyming scheme was first line jockey and second line hockey, that is A, A. And in the third and fourth line enter and center is same sound and it is B, B. And in the fifth and sixth line is B and me. So that is C, C. So here the rhyming scheme in this paragraph was A, B, B and C, C. And the figure of speech he used in the fifth line is I am just glad as glad can be. He brings out the direct comparison of the word as and it is simile. So, he says about the child's interest in playing games and his interest in watching only the games. So, next paragraph we can see tomorrow or next class. Thank you.